Hey fuckers, I'm Jumper and I love pizza. So today I'm going to go through the pretty decent spectrum of pizza peels to help you understand what the fuck's going on when you watch people making pizzas on YouTube, or when you're at the restaurant, or when you're buying stuff so that you can make your own pizzas. So the first one is this guy. So this is like a general all-round pizza peel. Actually, it's pretty poor quality, but look at the length of it, you know what I'm saying? It's a big bit of guy. This differs from other pizza peels because it's not perforated. If you only have one pizza peel and you're using it for a big oven at home, like an outside oven, then this will do a fair job, but when you're turning pizzas with it, you're fucked. Next pizza that you load onto it is going to stick. So it's not a great all-rounder necessarily. So therefore this kind of pizza peel does have its limitations. And so the second pizza peel is this. So this is like a standard Ooni pizza peel, and it's like the one that I just demonstrated. One problem that you come across with this guy is, again, if it's hot, if you're taking the pizza out of the Ooni and then you're turning it and then you're putting it back in again, this bitch is going to get hot. So the next time you slide a pizza onto it, or if you put it under whatever, however you do your business, there's a chance that it sticks. Good entry level if you're doing 1-2 pizzas at a time, but if you're doing more than 1 or 2 pizzas, think twice, man. You need a turning peel. Pizza peel is this guy. This is a turning peel. You'll see that it's fucking smaller because you don't need it to be big. It stops your launching peel from getting hot. Slide it in, and the pizza crust comes kind of all the way around here, of course, right? Lean your pizza onto the crust sticks and it turns the pizza inside the oven. So these are great because they can get hot and you can turn your pizza and you can keep your launching peel sweet. The fourth pizza peel is this guy. What's the fucking point in a wooden pizza peel? Seems ridiculous, doesn't it? Well, actually it's got its merits. A lot of people use a wooden peel specifically, exclusively for launching pizzas into the oven. Rest your pizza on here, healthy serving of semolina on the bottom, or rice flour, again, however you do your business, and then this will launch into the pizza oven, no bother at all. Chefs with maybe 4 or 5 of these on the go so that they can just go one after the other, dress them all, then launch them all. They're reasonably cheap as well, but if you think that you can use this as a turning peel or anything other than a launching peel, then you're sadly mistaken. The exception of, they're good for presentation. You can see, you can't see actually because my cameras aren't fucking 4K or whatever to call it. But I've got like scores in here because I use this if I'm serving pizza. Whack it on the table, whack the pizza on it, and then cut that bitch up. So yeah, wooden peel, limited utility, but it works for some people. The fifth peel, this is the fifth peel, and this is my fucking guy, GI Metal. What's the big difference between this guy and those other guys? Well, it's perforated. Yeah, the turning peel was perforated, but that didn't have to be perforated. This guy's great because you can launch the pizza, all the excess semolina naturally falls off, but it's like 40% perforated, which means that you're 40% less likely to have your pizza stick to the fucking peel. It's made with great quality materials, but it'll set you back about 130 quid or dollars wherever you are in the world. So really, if you're serious about making pizza and getting them launched, no stress, get a perforated GI Metal peel. Any questions, hit me up down there. And guys, do me a favour. It does really help my subscribers, my viewers, my audience. Share me, like me, tell your mates about me, tell your friends, whatever. But do me a favour, guys. Catch you in the next video in a bit.